What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. So we got another video on why it's important to be patient. And I want to actually show y'all something that you can learn from. So really take this story, into account and think about your investing journey and think about some of the things I try to teach on the channel. Now, you got to remember, this is not financial advice. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but this is why I try to teach people to be patient. And this is also why I recommend sometimes having multiple bags. So let's run those likes up. Salute to all the real ones that's rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Let's get into this one. So Shiba Inu trader loses out on $40 million in SHIB gains. I know this is one of those would have, could have stories, but this is important for those of y'all that are just getting started to basically learn from someone else's mistakes. And it's not technically a mistake because this trader did make money, but could have made a lot more money. So a Shiba Inu investor inadvertently lost out on raking in $40 million in gains after he hurriedly cashed out his investment upon witnessing a 50x increase. This investment move was disclosed by the host of the crypto-focused YouTube channel Zero Waiting in one of his videos. Interestingly, he was the investor in question. However, his regrets are not as substantial as some would think. Notably, the investor disclosed that he put $200 in SHIB 2 years ago in the video dated November 2021. He noted that he had earlier called attention to Shiba Inu in February 2021, when the asset had yet to hit its all-time peak. According to the investor, at the time of his initial video, he was discussing how he turned $200 into a $10,000 investment from SHIB. This immersive increase translates to a massive 5,000% return on investment. He confirmed that he cashed out the $10,000 gain, representing a 50x increase in his initial investment. Now, that's not bad. To turn $200 into 10K within a few months, you did your thing. You snapped right there. But this is why it's important to understand what you hold and understand the crypto space. And this is why I like having multiple bags. So it was about $10,000 at the time of that video. I thought that was impressive gains at the time, the YouTuber said. Interestingly, after he took profits with the $10,000 investment, Shiba Inu skyrocketed further. This massive increase occurred as 2021 progressed, making Shiba Inu the mainstream crypto asset with the highest return on investment. Shiba Inu massive run. She first rallied to a high of 3469 in May 2021 before facing resistance. This resistance resulted in a correction that saw the asset drop to the 506 territory in June. However, this correction was short-lived as SHIB surged to all-time high prices of 408845 in October 2021. This investor's $200 initial investment would have appreciated to over $40 million if he had not sold off. This surge would have represented an astronomical 200,000x increase in his investment. Expressing his surprise, the investor remarked, "Little did I know, my crazy predictions of 1000x and its surpassing the market cap of Dogecoin actually became a reality." Following the surge to the 40845 level, Shiba Inu corrected further and has since been unable to recover, currently trading at that 50789 level. The asset is down 91% from all-time high. However, several market watchers project an imminent recovery, y'all. So obviously, I'm bullish on Shiba Inu. Y'all know that by now. I believe when the bull market returns, especially if we have overall favorable market conditions in crypto, Shiba Inu will surpass its all-time high. So right now, we're trading around the level of that 50, obviously it's higher than that, but the low point where SHIB found support at that 506 level before breaking out to all-time high were a little above that range. I could see it being a little more discouraging or unbelievable if we were trading under that level and people thought, it was just impossible to ever get back to those levels. But I'm telling y'all, wholeheartedly, I believe Shiba Inu will reclaim its all-time high. It's a matter of time, but I think it will happen. So, gains are still able to be made with Shiba Inu. It's all about accumulating. This is one of the cheapest cryptocurrencies that you can, accumulate and stack, possibly billions of coins, trillions of coins if you have that much, before it actually breaks out. And that will be life-changing money. So remember from his lesson, he put in $200. It went to $10,000. Had he had 2 bags, or 3 bags, a short-term bag, mid-term bag, long-term bag, especially because he said he predicted that Shiba Inu would 1000x. If there's a cryptocurrency you believe in that will 1000x and it hits all your check marks, you've done your due diligence, and you really believe in that, then you should move accordingly. Not saying go put the house on it or be unwise about your investments, but create multiple bags. If he would have created, 2 bags of $200 a piece, then he could have took 10,000 on the first one when that ran, and, watch the other bag and just let it, do what it was going to do. He could have took some profits along the way with the other bag. And this is another reason why you never really want to, I don't want to say you never want to sell everything, because some projects you might want to just really get out of them. But when it's a project I'm unsure if it's going to continue to run, I don't like to take everything out of it. I still like to leave some to run. Like I tell y'all, I like to take my initial investment, take a cherry off the top, and let the rest run if I'm feeling confident about the project. So that's a story to learn from. Let me know if that was helpful for y'all. What would you have done differently, or would you have played things the same exact way? You got to remember, 200 into 10,000. That's a nice play. On some degen plays, I done that and took my whole 10,000. So I can't blame them. But those were degen plays that I wasn't too sure of. I didn't think those plays would 1000x. So you got to keep that in mind as well. But let me know how y'all feel about this story. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.